Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can buy I-bonds. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the website treasurydirect.gov. As you can see at the top, this is actually the US Department of the Treasury's website, and this is how you can buy bonds directly from them. So the first thing you must do is come to this website, and from here, if you haven't already got an account, we can click open a new account down here. If you've already got an account, just go ahead and log in. So when signing up, you'll just have to choose the type of account that you're opening, provide some personal information such as your tax ID number, email address, bank account and routing number, as well as some other things such as passwords and security questions. And once you've done that and actually created your account, you can head over to the Buy Direct tab. You'll be able to find this Buy Direct tab at the top like this. And then when you go to buy, you just want to go down to where it says Savings Bonds, and then go to Series I, because this is where we can find I-bonds on this website. Now, it's important to note that there is actually a limit of $10,000 per person per calendar year. So if you were looking to spend more than that, unfortunately, it will only be a maximum of $10,000. From there, you can click Submit, and then you just have to follow the instructions on screen, and you will have successfully bought your I-bonds. Now, if you need any more information about I-bonds, there is actually a page dedicated to it on their website, so you can learn more about it here, including the actual interest rate. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.